this is Cheryl from Alaska, and here I am stuck home, and guess what? I have a stack of postcards. Look at that. And I can mail these from home whether I'm quarantined or not and still make money. So these postcards are bright and beautiful attention getters and delivered directly to the door of people, and they get to look at this and see what you've got here and know that they can be home and have a recession-proof income with our money-making postcards. And we have an incredible support group and team, and you know exactly what to do. Look, I'm already doing it. Very beautiful cards to mail out to help people. An excellent lead prospecting tool, which is always a problem with any business. So you've got the right combination, the simplicity, and go to my website and join our team. It is awesome. Thanks for watching. Bye from Alaska.